Hi everyone, welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Buckle up as we unravel the chaos on the road. Let's get started. This UV in front must have been so nervous and flustered with the police car ahead that they accidentally pressed the gas and brake pedals at the same time. A Rolls-Royce Cullinan caught fire on the highway. Firefighters and emergency services quickly arrived to extinguish the blaze. Even luxury cars face unexpected challenges. Luckily, the pole didn't crash into the cabin's windshield. It's like the pole had a moment of hesitation, giving everyone a narrow escape from a much worse situation. The fabric-laden truck flipped over, and the driver had to climb out through the passenger window. Amazingly, passersby pitched in and helped lift the truck back up with their bare hands. A crane suddenly toppled over at the construction site, but fortunately 2 workers managed to avoid the disaster just in time. It's a lucky break in a tense moment where quick reflexes turned a potential catastrophe into a narrow escape. On the morning of September 12th, a white Lexus was driving the wrong way on the Jiang Bridge in Jiang, Guangdong, China. It collided with a Porsche, causing the front left wheel of the Porsche to break off and tumble onto the road. Talk about an unexpected twist in the traffic drama. Notice that this is a solid line, meaning lane changes are not allowed. Even though the silver sedan up ahead is breaking the rules, these vehicles should still slow down and proceed with caution. The van made a mistake trying to switch lanes across the chevron markings. It's like the van decided to ignore the road rules and take a little detour into trouble. The fuel tank of a sedan caught fire, and thick smoke started billowing up. Traffic police and firefighters rushed against traffic to put out the blaze with all their might. It's a dramatic scene where every second counts in the battle against the flames. The way that sedan surged ahead was like a soccer celebration slide on the grass, a dramatic and unexpected move that really stands out. The bus driver must have been behind the wheel while battling sleepiness. It's like they were trying to navigate the road in a dream. The white SUV suddenly turned into a road and seemed to play a game of hide and seek with the electric scooter. The man driving this car ignored both the navigation and his girlfriend's advice, making a bold and hasty lane change. The outcome, quite a tragic reminder that sometimes it's best to listen to those guiding you. A man drove up to the gas station to refuel, but before the car even came to a stop, the door fell off. A sudden tire blowout while driving at high speed is extremely dangerous, posing risks to both yourself and others on the road. That's why it's crucial to replace your tires when it's time. Your safety and the safety of those around you depend on it. Always keep your attention focused ahead. Always maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you. The truck wasn't keeping a safe distance. The truck reversed into a fire hydrant, causing water to spray everywhere, including onto the nearby store. The car was speeding straight ahead, but when it changed lanes without checking for other vehicles and ended up colliding. The car behind was dragged for over 10 kilometers with passing vehicles honking to alert them. Eventually, they finally noticed and stopped. It's like they were in their own slow-motion chase scene, with everyone trying to get their attention. When driving at high speeds, it's essential to have a steady grip on the steering wheel. A firm hold helps you maintain control and react quickly to any unexpected situations. When navigating two-way turns, it's crucial to observe carefully and avoid rushing. Take your time to ensure you're not missing anything and keep everyone safe on the road. The concrete mixer truck was caught off guard when a car unexpectedly entered its path, forcing the mixer to swerve and end up in a field. Notice how the camera screen shakes slightly when driving close to that truck. It's likely due to a minor collision at high speed. When overtaking, always ensure your safety. When approaching an intersection or a turning point, slow down from all directions. We're going to need some heavy-duty equipment to pull that car out of its jam. Looks like it's stuck so good, it's practically become part of the scenery. On the G7 Beijing-Xinjiang highway in China, a severely overloaded 50-meter-long truck lost control and veered off the road, a heart-pounding reminder of just how dangerous heavy loads can be when things go wrong. In the clip, you can clearly see that the ground here is so soft, it's almost like mud. No wonder that truck had trouble staying on track. It's like driving through quicksand. The truck lost control and veered off the road, scraping its undercarriage against the concrete surface. This made the rescue effort with just bare hands extremely challenging. It's like trying to pull a stubborn giant out of a tight spot, where every bit of effort counts. A smart use of heavy-duty equipment to turn a large truck around on a narrow road. It's like turning a giant in a tight spot with the right tools. Even the biggest maneuvers become a breeze. In a split-second moment of clumsiness, this excavator caused hundreds of neatly packed bricks to go flying. What was once a perfectly organized stack turned into a chaotic mess, as if the excavator decided to throw an impromptu brick party. All that careful packing went to waste in an instant, turning the scene into a dramatic display of brick chaos. It took a team of 3-wheel loaders and 1 truck to haul that wind turbine transport up the hill. It's like a heavyweight championship match between machines, all working together to conquer the incline. Quite the display of teamwork and muscle power. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.